Dear students, you have learnt what are decimal numbers and what is the use of decimal numbers in our daily life. Now we are going to study what is the position of decimal numbers in place value chart. Means what is the place value of decimal number. Is that clear? And you are familiar with the place value chart of whole numbers. So let's start with whole number. So like 784 is a whole number. So here 4 is at 1's position, 8 is at 10's position and 7 is at 100's position. Means 1's means 1, 10's means 10, 100's means at 100 position. And one more position, next position to 100 is 1000 and that is, write one more digit here like 6. 6784. So 6 is at 1000 position. Have you observed when you are moving this direction, means towards left hand side, the value increased by 10 times. Means from 1's to 10's, the value increased by 10 times. From 1 into 10. And when you move from 10 to 100, that is 10, that is 100. So value also increased by 10 times. Clear? It means when you are moving towards left hand side, the value is increased by 10 times. Okay. Now when you move from 1's position towards right, or when you move from 100 to 10's, 10's to 1's means moving towards right hand side. And when you move from 100 to 10's, 100 means this, 10's, that is 10. So value decrease by 10 times, means decrease by 10 times. 100 divided by 10 is 10. And when you move from 10's to 1's, the value also decreased by 10 times, means 10 divided by 10, that is 1's position. Clearly? Clear? It means when you move towards right hand side, the value decrease by 10 times, and when you move towards left side, value increase by 10 times, and when you move towards right hand side, value decreased by 10 times. Now, if you are at 1's position, 1's, and you are moving towards right hand side, when you go from 1's to right hand side, the value decreased by 10 times. You know very well. It is 1's, that is 1. 1 divided by 10, that is 1 by 10. 1/10, that is called 1/10. So this position is called 10th position. It means after 1's, we differentiate this part from whole number part by introducing decimal. This point is called decimal. That is, also we called it as point. So at 10th position, for example, any number 2. So it will be 6,784.2. Clear? It means 2 is at 10th position and 2 is 10 times decreased by 1's position. Now if we move towards right again, next position, that is also decreased by 10 times, means that will be 1 by 100. Yes, So next position is our 100th position. Means 1000, 100, tens, ones. And after that decimal, that is 10th position, we represent it by small letter T. Then 100th. 100th. That is also represented by small alphabet, like any digit here, 5. Clear? It means the position of 5 is at 100th position. Means 5 upon hundreds. Because value is decreased by 10 times when we are moving towards right hand side. Is that clear? So when you expand it, you know the expansion of whole number. That will be 6,780 plus 4. You know very well. But now when the decimal starts, it is at tens position. Means 1 by 10. So 2 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100. Or you can write it as 6 into 1000, 7 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10. This is the position. This is the place value. Tens, ones, 100, 1000. This is tens position. And next is hundreds. And so on. Is that clear? If somebody asks from you, so what is the position of 10 here? Means write the place value of 2. So what will be the place value of 2 here? 2 tens. Or you can write as 2 into 1 by 10 or 2 upon 10, or you can write it as 0.2. Similarly, the position of 5 is at 100th position. Means 5 hundredths or 5 by 100 or 5 into 1 by 100, or you may write as 0.05. This is the place value of 5 and this is the place value of 2. Is that clear?